we are given two questions here, and the first question is sum of areas of two squares is 544 meter square, and the difference of their parameter is 32 meter, and then we need to find the sides of these two squares. And the second question is the motorboat whose speed is 18 km per hour in Stillwater takes 1 hour more to go for 24 km upstream and then to return downstream to the same spot. And we need to find the speed of the stream in this case. So let's check first question first. So let us assume the two sides of square be x and y, and the difference of parameter is given as 32. So we can say that 4x minus 4y is equals to 32, which gave us x minus y is equals to 8, and so we can infer from this equation that y is equals to x minus 8. Now similarly, sum of areas of these squares is 544. So when we add the areas, we get x square plus y square is equals to 544. Now we can replace y by x minus 8 because we calculated it here. So y can be replaced by x minus 8. So we get a quadratic equation here. So using this, by solving this quadratic equation, we will get two possible solutions which are 20 and minus 12. Since length cannot be negative, we can neglect this value, and the correct answer will be 20. So the value of side of a square having side x is 20, and we can calculate the side of the other square by using the same value, which is x minus 8, that is 20 minus 8. So y we will get y is equals to 12. As you can clearly see, the value of y is 12. So the sides of square are 20 centimeter and 12 centimeter. Now let's move on to the second question. We are given that the speed of boat is 18 km per hour, and let us assume that the speed of the stream is 6 km per hour. So when we will go upstream, the speed will be reduced to 18 minus x, and when we go downstream, the speed will be increased to 18 plus x km per hour. Now total distance is 24 km, and the time is distance by speed. So as per the question, 24 divided by 18 minus x minus 24 by 18 plus x is 1. So we take 24 common, and we get a quadratic equation here as well. So you just need to solve this quadratic equation to get the correct value. So when you solve these values, we get two options, that is x is equal to 6 or x is equals to minus 54. Since speed cannot be negative, velocity can be negative but speed cannot be negative, so we will neglect this value, and we get the correct answer to be 6 km per hour. So the speed of stream is 6 km per hour.